Hello everyone, welcome to another video in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money with ChatGPT. So you've probably seen some of the videos in YouTube here. They're saying that you can make $100 per day, $1,000 per day. Some of them say that $2,000 or $20,000 per day, but I'm not going to tell you that you can really make that because I don't know how can you make $1,000 per day in the beginning here. So I'm gonna just show you some simple way that you can actually earn money with ChatGPT. So we're gonna talk about a website here. I'm gonna show you some different methods of here. So first, let's talk about this website here, which is called Legit here. So it's some of the like Fiverr Upwork here. So you just have to hire a seller here. You do your work here. So if I go to this option here, as you can see, there's an option called AI services here, and they're literally hiring with AI writing service, ChatGPT service, AI art, and AI application development. So if I go to the AI writing services here, you can see a lot of them are selling their AI writing service with AI ChatGPT or another AI bot here. As you can see, some of them using Jasper, Jarvis, and some of them are using ChatGPT, GPT-3 AI. So these are the new option here. So if I go to the ChatGPT services here, as you can see, Surfer is optimized AI, also ChatGPT chatbot AI article, ChatGPT copywriting. So you can do this with ChatGPT here and sell your service in this website here. So you will not literally make $1,000 per day or $100 per day, but you can make some money here after doing some work here. As you can see, they are getting some work here. Eight order this gig here done here. 3 order, two order have done this gig here. So this is a new service that you can sell with ChatGPT in this legit.com here. So if I go to the ChatGPT here, as you can see, I have an extension called AI PRM. If you don't know how to use this, I have already talked about this in the video here. You can check this out, or I'll give the link in the description here. Which this extension can do, you can create any article here and create any SEO blog here with this extension here. So if I go to the SEO here, as you can see, one-click blog post. So if we just give a human written 100% unique SEO optimized article, so if we just give a title here, it will just create a blog post here. So I don't recommend just copy and paste the title here. Edit some of the things for your own information there. Go to Google and search it and just edit some of the things, then provide the service with the ChatGPT here. So with this extension, you will not have to worry about the empty page here, or you don't have to worry about idea how you can write any article or any SEO blog page here. So you can do this with the ChatGPT here. Another thing that you can do is copywriting here. So if I go to the copywriting, as you can see, there's a lot of copywriting SEO article here. They're also providing this service here, copywriting. So you can sell this service in this website here, copywriting. So I already recommend you don't just copy and paste it. Use your information. Just go to this ChatGPT, use this extension and write an article. Then use some of your own information and write the article here. So as you can see, there's an option called YouTube script creator here. So you can also use this to make money here. So if I go to the Fiverr here and search for some service here, say YouTube script writer, and you will find a lot of services here that they write YouTube script writing here, and it's very popular service here. So you can use ChatGPT to create YouTube script writing here. Let's say some of them say that they want a YouTube script writer, that they want to make a video about some of the thing here. So how to, as you can see, there's some example here, how to change a tire, explain the Himalayan mountains. So some of the example that if some of them want to have a video about history about England here. So if I just tap on history and just paste it, this will create you a beautiful YouTube script that you can use in your video, or you can sell the service on the Fiverr here. As you can see, intro music plays, narrator, welcome to this fascinating journey to the history of England from the end. So ChatGPT is with this extension writing a YouTube script here. So as always I'm saying, don't just copy and paste it, read it, then analyze it, go to Google, give you some information, edit it, then sell the service to creating an engaging script that your client will like it. So these are the thing that you can do with ChatGPT here. Script writing is a very popular service in Fiverr here, as you can see. $10 per script writing here, $10, $5, $15. So and also they're making order here 67, 56. So you can do script writing in the Fiverr here with the ChatGPT. Another thing that I show in the video here, you can check this video, how ChatGPT and Pictory, that you can make videos with ChatGPT here. You can go and watch that video that I have shown, that you just have to give it a script here and this will turn into a video here. And you know that YouTube give you money when you monetize your videos here. So if you are interested in creating YouTube videos and earn money, you can do with Pictory here. I'll give the link in the description. You can join Pictory here and create just with the script and turn into a video and upload that in YouTube. And if you keep your consistency and quality in the video, you will get monetized and then you can earn money. So these are the some of the way that you can earn with ChatGPT. There's a lot of way you can earn money. As you can see, this extension have developer operating, copywriting, operating system, productivity, and a lot of things that you. So yeah, if you have interested in making money with ChatGPT, you can make money with ChatGPT, but don't just use ChatGPT, rely on ChatGPT. Use it as a tool to save your time and boost your productivity. Don't just fall for those videos. They say that you can make $1,000 per day, $200 per day, $20,000 per day. No, you will not make that kind of money in the beginning here. But if you keep the consistency, build a website and give article there, just edit your information, just do it right, like you just don't copy paste, then you can make earn money. So you don't have to worry about how to start a website or how to start an article here. ChatGPT will help you to create your own article. So that's it guys, these are some of the way that you can actually make money with ChatGPT. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.